Rather than using the stairs, you can hop to the adjacent building in this manner. It saves you a lot of time. Here's a very interesting trick. Stand next to any wall. Peek and aim. Now move your joystick towards the wall to know the enemy's location. Now, since you know your enemy's location, do it again and try to shoot. We can use this trick at various places like this. If your enemy is hiding behind a door in this manner, go to this room and repeat the same thing. You can easily kill them in this manner. If your enemy is camping above the stairs in this manner, go outside the building and climb over these stairs. Now stand here to aim and kill your enemy. Finally, if you spot your enemy inside the container, just stand beside the container and kill your enemy in this manner. You can climb over a door to see the enemy's location above you. Once you're well aware of the location, you can go and kill them easily. The main doors of the C building are not wooden, hence they can't be broken by firing at them. If you spot an enemy behind the door, throw a molly. The molly goes through the door and lowers your opponent's health. Now, go and kill them easily. Search for my profile using my player ID and tap on this chicken over here. You can do this daily. I'll be adding some random members daily into my friends list. There are two possible ways to climb over this building. Number 1, jump over this wall and climb over here. Now you can easily spot and kill your enemies. Number 2, jump over this wall twice and climb the building like this. There's a secret hiding location in this building. Jump over this thing and climb the wall. Now hide yourself here until the enemies approach you. As soon as they enter the room, you can kill them easily. You can land directly on top of this tower next to the C building. Just make sure to position yourself properly. You can climb this tower till the midway and jump over here. Now jump along these railings and wait here. You won't be spotted easily, hence you can get an easy kill. If you spot an enemy on the other side of the tower, just go down and jump over here. Now walk along the railings to get to the other side. Now climb the stairs and surprise your enemy from behind. You can land safely from this tower without losing any health by making your teammate prone below you. The exact position of your teammate should be something like this. That is a little bit left from the gray metal. If you spot an enemy on the second floor of this building, go down and ask your teammate to stand behind this door. Climb the door to directly reach the second floor. Now go and kill your enemy from behind. You can use the same trick for hiding over the main gate of the C building. Just make sure your teammate stands behind the door and climb the door. Now prone first and then crouch to get into a stable position over there. Wait for your enemies and kill them as soon as they enter into the building. You can climb this building located over here in this manner. Jump over the wall. Now jump over to the top of the entrance and climb the building. You can hide yourself here to kill your enemies easily. You'll find many machines inside this building. You can climb over this machine in this manner and hide yourself over here. Kill your enemy as soon as they enter the room. There are many short cemented walls inside the military base, which helps you in pushing forward. Whenever you're getting hit, take cover behind them by getting prone. Now spot your enemy and kill them. Always make sure you're prone behind it. Don't ever crouch because your head would be exposed and you can be targeted easily. The bushes in between the C building are dense and can help you to hide yourself in that. Whenever you spot an enemy crossing the C building, hide yourself in one of those bushes and fire at them as soon as they're near you. You'll get an easy kill. This is a loot map for the military base buildings. High loot possibilities, medium loot possibilities, and low loot possibilities. Here are the vehicle spawn locations near the military base. These are only possible locations, hence it's not necessary that you find the vehicles every time. Finally, if the zone is towards the other side of the map, you have two possible options to go with. Either take a boat or go through the bridge. If you find that the bridge is blocked by your enemies, use this trick. Jump down to get to here. Now prone yourself and start moving forward in this manner. Do this very carefully as you can fall down if you move the joystick even a bit towards the right. Now continue going until you spot your enemy. Take your weapon and kill them to break the bridge block easily. Here's a bonus tip. Subscribe to Clash Universe for more such videos. If this video gets 1 lakh likes, I'll be making more of these